Hello doctors. With the fast-paced changing healthcare needs, are you able to manage your appointments? Does your practice have a web presence? Do you have easy access to your patient's history? Do you have a sturdy analytics about your business? Is your staff and you are in sync with your schedules? Even after spending a lot of money on your clinic management and software, are you satisfied? Do you feel your patients are happy with your clinic management? With the help and contribution from thousands of doctors, VieCare has crafted a free, social integrated healthcare platform. It will help you to book and manage your appointments from anywhere and at any time, to keep your patients informed. It will establish you and your practice to be visible on Google top results. It will provide patients' history at your fingertips. Analyze your business with simple analytical charts. And it will make your patients more content and jubilant, keep you and your staff in sync with your daily schedules, and manage all your clinics from a single interface. So what are you waiting for? Simply connect with India's fastest growing healthcare platform and get your practice apparent to the world. It's free, simple and secure. VieCare, it's life care. Visit us at www.viecare.in.